Hello, fellow employers in Hong Kong. My name is Lisel B. Boak. I live in Cavite, Philippines. I have four children, ages 23, 22, 20, and 18. I have a working before in domestic helper in UAE in almost 4 years. My skill is cooking, cleaning, especially taking care of children, newborn, and toddler. My personality is hard worker, kind, honest, trustworthy, loyal, respectfully, and loving mother to children and generous. I prefer to work I prefer to work alone. I prefer jobs taking care of newborn, toddler, and adult. I hope you hire me and I will giving you all the best. I work hard and responsible to my duties. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Good day.